A $600 game PC with a 3060 that looks and performs pretty well is definitely possible, even if you're in Canada. And not to mention, you can get it for even cheaper if one, you're like me and like to hunt for deals, or two, you really just don't care about the aesthetic. Anyways, let's dive right in.
So it looks pretty good, but what about the performance? Well, it actually performs pretty well. In esport games at high or pro settings for Fortnite, you can easily get over 100 FPS on those titles, and even on the harder to run games like Cyberpunk, with no upscaling at all, just native 1080p at high settings, you can get a pretty smooth 78 FPS. Which just goes to show that this PC could even handle 1440p gaming, albeit at the cost of lower graphical settings. Regardless, I still think this is an absolutely phenomenal build for about the $600 price tag, give or take by $50 or so. I personally built this for just under $600 of the prices that you can see on the screen now. But if you want to copy this build or do something similar, as always, I'll have a Google Docs link down below with my specs, alternatives, and benchmarks for this machine. Anyways, that's it from me. Peace.